Hi friend, today I start ancient history of Jharkhand. In ancient times, Chota Nagpur was totally covered with forest area. This region was surrounded by dense forests and hills, namely the Kemur and Vindhya hills. Nevertheless, external invasions were frequent. The plurality of forests and mountains attracted primitive tribes to settle here. Asura, Khadiya and Birhor were tribes here. After this, Korba, Munda, Urao and Ho tribes came and settled in this region. After them, the tribes who settled in Jharkhand were Chero, Kharwar, Bhumij and Santhal. The Asuras were the oldest primitive tribe inhabiting Jharkhand. The Asura tribe, who made use of iron to make a livelihood, resides in the Chota Nagpur region from Neolithic period to the later Vedic period. The remains of many Asurasgarh built by them are still found there. They were also proficient in building art. Probably the present day blacksmith tribes are descendants of these. It is believed that the who opposing the Vedic Aryans were a branch of Asuras. Presently, the first settlement of the Khadiya tribes inhabiting Singhbhum and Manbhum region is found in Pora on the banks of the southern Koyal River, while the second settlement is found from Viru Kasalpur near Pora. Some historians and human scientists believe that the physiocultural characteristics of the Khariya people are more similar to the tribes of the Darwinian family. Hence, they must have migrated to the region from South India after crossing the Vindhya ranges. Like the Sura and Khadiyas, the Birhors are oldest tribes inhabiting the Jharkhand region. Mundas and Uraons have been the dominant tribes inhabiting Jharkhand. It is believed that the Munda people destroyed the Asura culture of Jharkhand. These people settled in Chota Nagpur VI Rohtasgarh and played an important role in the establishment of historical Nag dynasty in the 1st century. The Munda tribe is also believed to have come from Tibet and lived in southern Bihar for some time. Later they settled in Chota Nagpur area after being opposed by Urao, Chero and Kharwar. Munda belonged to Jarsandha and joined the Kaurva army in the Mahabharata war. When they were driven out of southern Bihar by Cheras, Urao and Kharwar, they settled in the Chota Nagpur region. At that time, they were being led by Madra Munda. According to a report by the Archaeological Survey of India, Madra Munda appointed a person named Sutiya Pahan as the leader of the Munda tribe. Sutiya Pahan named the region Sutia Nagkhand after himself, and the Mundas helped to establish the Nagavans. The Ural tribes, which are believed to be related to the Dravidian, have come from South India. Ural is believed to have migrated from South India towards northwest direction and first settled in the mountainous region of Rohtas. The basis of their association with the Dravidians is linguistic familiarity, as their language is found to similar with Kuluk and Kannada. According to Ural tradition, these people considered themselves descendants of Kharka, due to which they later came to be called Karuk. Ural got separated into two branches after being evacuated from Rohtasgarh by Cheras and Kharwad. One branch settled in the area of Rajmahal in the southern Ganges. The Malar tribes of Rajmahal is descendant of these tribes. The second branch settled in Plamu, the valley area of North Koil, and settled in Chota Nagpur Khas, where they established close contact with the Mundas. According to a Ural folklore, the Mundas inspired them to eat meat, while these people taught the Mundas plugging and farming. Later, due to the pressure from the Urals, the Mundas continued to migrate to the western part. Kharwars, Cheros, Kol, etc. were tribes residing in Plamu area. Bhumis, Santhal, Bhuyas tribes were also living in Chota Nagpur since ancient times. Among these tribes, Bhumis, Ho and Bhuya tribes also resided in Plamu area. The linguistic and traditional similarities of the Ho tribes resembled those of the Mundas, on the basis of which it was believed that the Ho tribe lived in Chota Nagpur Khas for a long time before residing in Singhbhum. From the point of view of popularity, Munda and Ural tribes were living in Chota Nagpur, Birja tribes in Plamu, Bhumis in Manbhum, and Ho tribes in Singhbhum and Hazaribagh. The Ural tribes, which are believed to be related to the Dravidian, have come from South India. Ural is believed to have migrated from South India towards northwest direction and the first settled in the mountainous regions of Rohtas. The basis of their association with the Dravidian is linguistic familiarity, as their language is found to similar with Kuluk and Kannada. थैंक यू दोस्तों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो आप लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।